Federal regulators are warning banks and credit unions tonight about a new scam that allows hackers to drain the bank accounts of unsuspecting customers. The thieves are making huge withdrawals from other people's accounts by hacking into ATMs. Sounds pretty scary. Jennifer Lukey joining us live in studio now with the real deal on just how these bad guys are pulling it off. Jen?
Well, Dory, according to the regulators, the hackers often wait for weekends and holidays when the ATMs are fully loaded with cash to pull this scam off. They steal account numbers and then hack into the software that runs ATMs to remove any cap on withdrawals.
Normally, if you go to the ATM for cash, there's a limit on how much you can take out. But scammers have found a way to hack into bank systems and change all of that.
They just used sort of the infrastructure, the account number and the name and those kinds of things, and then removed the limits from the debit card. So the ATMs didn't even know and the banks didn't even know that they had pulled $1 million out of an account that had maybe $100 in it.
The Secret Service calls the scam unlimited operations. Sometimes the hackers steal the account information directly from the banks. Other times they buy it from other breaches and make bogus cards with it. A ring of hackers recently netted over...
You're going to protect all those ATMs.
This may seem like a victimless crime because if it's your account that's hacked, most of the time the bank will make it right. But in the end, we all end up paying for it.
You're paying for that card somewhere along the line, whether it's in increased interest or annual fees or whatever it is. There's no free lunch.
Now, as we mentioned, normally the bank will put the funds back into your account if it's hacked, but that can take some time, and if you need regular access to your money, like most of us do, it could put you in a real bind. So how do you protect yourself? Use cash or your credit card as often as possible. There are a lot more protections on a credit card than there are on a debit card. Also, if you need cash, go to the bank when it's open and withdraw the money there. The biggest thing, though, don't use a debit card if it's going to leave your site. Prime example, paying for your dinner in a restaurant. If you can't see your card during the entire transaction, don't use it. Live in the studio tonight, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.